Today I'm going to replace this outlet. I don't know the reason why this outlet been in this house. Another outlet with 3-prong electrical outlets. The owner complained about this, just only 2-prong. Like as you can see, if you have one like this in your home and you just only using this, and 2-prong electrical outlet, it's not really safe, because as you can see on the 3-prong plus like this one we call the ground for safety. The ground will connect to the device case in case the hot wire is short to the case on your device, and then the breaker will pop out and shut down the power, and it will be safe. But in this case, I don't know, the wire inside behind the outlets, that's a 3 wire or just only 2, hot and neutral, no ground. If we push the 3-prong outlets in, no ground. Use the voltage detector. Yep, let me check. Yeah, we have power. Yep. Yeah, power on both. I have the light here, guys. I get it closer so you guys see that. Yep, put it in. Okay, the light up right now, and leave it alone right there. If you have one outlet like this, or some reason bad outlet, you want to change yourself. If you don't have the detector, voltage detector like this, try to plug in the light like this and leave it on like that, and go to your electrical panel somewhere and shut down the power from this outlet before work on it. Locate the electrical panel in your house and open it and shut down the power. If you're not sure which one, shut down any like that. Okay, I will shut down this and go back inside the light and to check to see the light is dark or not. If not, that means the circuit is still there. It's not on this one. If not the case, never work on the light circuit. We have to shut down the power for safety. Back in here, as you can see, after shut down the power, turn the breaker off, and the light is no more. And also, don't believe it, on this lamp has a light bulb in there. For example, it's time that light bulb is out. At the same time, we shut down the power, or before, when we walk away from here and you think, oh, right now no power, and then you're working on it, you might get electric shock. And I use it again. And one more thing, guys, we already shut down the power. We recheck, double check, no power here. But while you're working on it, make sure no one come to turn the breaker on when you working on it and touching the wire. And if someone turn the breaker on, oh man, that's so bad. Use the detector again. Yep, touching on this. As you can see, right now we have no power. You can see this house has the copper wire. I have the new outlets here. I love this design. We don't need to make the wire up like this to tie on the bow anymore. We just, you can just see on each side we have 4 wires coming. Yep. 1, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You just a straight wire and cut it and put it in the case. I think the wire is still long, I don't need it. I just go ahead and cut the hub here. Yep, cut it like that. And same thing on the white wire, I will cut it like that. And on this new outlets, as you can see in the back here. I don't know you guys see in the video, this here, they say the trip gauge. That means you push the wire here, you just cut in about maybe about 5/8 like that. About 5/8. If you can see this one a little bend, just straight it, and another wire cut in about 5/8. Hopefully so now no matter which one it come and which one go, as you can see on the screw here, silver color, that means for neutral, and this one on gold color, that means for the hot side. Even you can see on the hot side the slot is smaller than this, and this one with the safety for children, if they put some metal in here and no contact at all, it's safe for them. And so now I should 2 top hole, just put the wire in like this. Just put it in, and you can see in the video a little bit out like that, for make sure the insulation and not go all the way. If you clamp on the insulation, okay, I got a call many times from the new home, maybe a few months old home. The owner called me, okay, I got some outlets, no electricity, no power there, and then you know what, on the old like this one, it come and then it will supply the power to this outlet, and when the electrician made the wire up like this and they take off the insulation too short, when this screw is pressed on the insulation and then using for a while, like a few months, and then gets melted hot, and then back connection here. That means when you have some outlet in your house with no power, just go ahead and find the one that with working with power and check in the back here, maybe the back connection on the screw. Like over here, the wire come with the power, you no problem, but it not keep going. Okay guys, right here I have already done on the black side, black wire side, but you can see here, look like this. How from here they use the 4 wire to run the circuit. As you can see, black is power and red also power, but we indicate we don't need to deal with this. Just put it back. We don't need to do anything with that. Maybe they don't have enough 3 wire to run, and they just use some. Okay, and same thing on the neutral wire. Okay, I have the paper clip on hand. Just bend it out like this, as you can see, on the neutral side, and on the hot side the same. the hole is the same. As you can see, I put it all the way in and hold my finger from here. Yep, as you can see how long it is. Too much. If you strip the insulation for this long, and I think almost 1 inch, and you can push all the way in, and it will hit to the front. When it's hard, it will make the hole right here. The shrinkage, as you can see, is right here. Go all the way to the top. Yeah. That's why in this outlet we have the strip gauge. Ground wire. On the ground wire, it's easy. You just hop it in. Screw should not over tight on them. If you trip the thread on the plastic box side, and then you get a problem when you put the plug in. You take the plug out, the whole outlet came out. Turn the breaker back on. I can use the light here. Move it closer, you guys can see. Yep, the light is on. Yep, work. Perfect. That's it, guys. If you have any electrical outlet in your home and it's getting no good, too old, yeah, go ahead and replace it yourself. Follow the video step by step, do it right, and you got to go. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.